Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Just traded 2014 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage with hardtop, powered by twin Mercury 225 Verados. This boat has underwater lights and trim tabs. Moving into the boat, on the transom rod holders, shore power hookup with waste pump out. Moving into the cockpit, you have a nice flip-flop seat, transom pull-down seat in the back. This one's going to have the grill along with the refrigerator in the cockpit. Moving forward to the helm, this has a Raymarine GPS fish finder, Icon VHF, Linko trim tabs, and Fusion stereo. This boat also has a very nice head compartment. Moving forward, you have plenty of seating for the family. This concludes the walk around of the 2014 Boston Whaler 27 Vantage. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.